We already know that a sentence may be a statement, an exclamation, or a question. Let's now learn how to punctuate exclamations correctly with the use of exclamation marks. Just like full stops, exclamation marks end sentences. The dot here tells us this, and it's the same with question marks, but we'll learn about those in later lessons. So, exclamation marks are used to end exclamations. We could say, "What a brilliant idea! How wonderful! How funny!" Or, "What smashing news!" Each of these exclamations ends with an exclamation mark, and it really is that easy. Just ask yourself whether you're writing an exclamation, that is, a short sentence of surprise or strong emotion. If you are, it needs to end with an exclamation mark. Just one though. Sometimes people get a little overexcited and start adding lots. This is grammatically incorrect. Just use one exclamation mark at the end of exclamations. In fact, you should be careful not to overuse them in your writing. If you use them too much, they'll lose their impact altogether. Whilst there are many different types of exclamations that can end with an exclamation mark, in the SATS grammar test you should make sure your sentence starts with what or how. Here are some examples. What a great idea! What big feet! What a mess! How annoying! How wonderful! How frustrating! So, exclamation marks are easy to use. Just remember, just like full stops, they end sentences, so only one is needed, never a whole row of them. If you're asked to write a sentence that ends with an exclamation mark, start your sentence with what or how.